Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and today I have a review of this carrying case or travel case for the Phillips OneBlade. This was something I've been wanting to get basically since I got the OneBlade. It's definitely a nice product, but for all the money you pay, you really don't get any way to store it, and there's a lot of combs and accessories. So as you can see, it's a nice hard shell, little handle, zipper, no labeling, which I like. Just that's the name of the company. I got this on Amazon. There really wasn't anything to unbox, so I just went ahead and set everything up in the interest of time. You can kind of see what I like about this one compared to most other ones is a lot of them are just an empty, hollow thing, and you just set everything. And some of them have this zippered compartment, but it's just all open and loose to where everything is molded to fit. And this is for the body model that also has these extra combs, so it's just a really nice design. It was perfect for what I wanted, just made, basically custom made, perfect for this. So when you first get it, I think there's like 2 silica packets in it, and one of them it was like torn open, so it's a good thing they tell you not to eat those, or I would have. But so you get that little QR there, not that really matters. And again, there's the company. And then I even left my cute little instruction manual and everything in there. I actually just was keeping all these combs in this bag, then they'd all just fall out because there's no way to keep this bag shut. So again, it's just a nice, same with the charger, kind of bulky. Now it's just neatly tucked away in here, which is nice. And you could also put extra thing if you buy some extra, I don't know if you call them trimmers or blades or whatever, but cartridges, if you buy a few more, you can probably keep them in there safely. And then this has room for all the combs. I couldn't really tell if they were, see if I get more light there, I couldn't tell if they were different sized. I think, what is this one, 5? And then I went 5, 3, I think this is the 2, and the 1, because I had to look it up how to make sure that they're all in the right spots, because I didn't know what fit where. So I just went by the picture. And one thing I don't really like, it's kind of hard to get the light in there, but this one just kind of sits in it. It would just fall back out. So this one doesn't really lock in, which I don't really care for. Like these ones are all a tight fit. And then they make it, and you could just put it in there like that and you'd still be pretty protected. But there's enough room that this can fit in here too, which is nice. And you can, if you wanted to, if you just use the body comb, it will fit, but it kind of pushes on that just a wee little bit, and you can, but not much. But you could definitely do that, but I don't think this would, or maybe it'll fit like that. So if you could do it like that, or you could just put that in the thing here. But it's pretty versatile. I mean, it's definitely perfect for my needs. So it's just nice to have everything all in one place. It seems like some people do have some interest in this newer OneBlade trimmer, so I figured I would show you. This is the case that's made to fit this one, and then simply there you go. I would recommend, I think it's like $13 on Amazon, custom made for this one. You could use the other one, you just have a few extra empty spots, but I think this is the one to get. So hopefully you found that helpful if you're looking for a nice little way to store your trimmer. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.